Hi, I'm Renu Arora. I make videos on energy healing, pendulum use, and pretty much anything to do with tapping into the subconscious mind. If that's the kind of content you're interested in, consider subscribing to my channel. Today's video is part of a series of stories of the subconscious, in which I give you insight on how the subconscious creates the challenges in our life to direct us to the underlying emotional trauma that needs to heal. Are you ready for today's story? Let's get to it. Have you ever heard of pine mouth? It's also known as pine nut syndrome. Some people with an intolerance to pine nuts react in a very specific way. They get this bitter, metallic taste in their mouth that can last from a few days to even a month. Now, a while back, I had a client with exactly this problem. She knew precisely when it started. It was Christmas. She was making dinner and snacking on pine nuts. During Christmas dinner, everything just tasted off. But her family assured her that the food was perfectly fine. So she knew it was her. She was starting to react to those pine nuts. At the start of the session, she immediately tried to come up with associations for Christmas, grasping for anything that might have been going on at the time. Now, that's a reasonable thing to do. But once we started working to identify the root cause, we were taken in a totally different direction. We were led to an event from a few years previously in which she had broken up with her ex. Now, she admitted to me in the session that she wasn't very nice to him. And the thing is, she actually considers herself to be a really nice person. So that interaction, it kind of left a bad taste in her mouth. You know what else left a bad taste in her mouth? Pine nuts. The reaction had nothing to do with Christmas after all. Rather, her subconscious was trying to get her attention about old trauma that needed to be healed by creating a feeling that would remind her of it. So once we got to the root and we were able to eliminate the emotional baggage, the bad taste that it left behind, we were able to clear the bad taste from the pine nuts. Isn't that cool? If you have any questions or something you'd like to add, please leave it in the comments below. If you like the video, then please give me a like and share it. And if you'd like to work with me directly, either as a client, maybe you've got your own food intolerance you'd like to heal, or as a student and you'd love to learn how to heal this kind of stuff yourself, then please do reach out to me. My contact information is below. See you next time.